turned fundraiser had heads and wheels turning in St. John's on Saturday. The event was organized by Wheels for Wishes in cooperation with the Canadian National Institute for the Blind. The money raised helps a child from the province who lives with sight loss get a buddy dog. This year's recipient is 7-year-old Nathan Payne from Corner Brook, who has a genetic disease which causes vision loss over time.
Empowered the automotive community, the race car drivers, the motorcycle racers to come out and help our cause, which this year would be to get a buddy dog for our friend here, Nathan. It's an incredible feeling when when the automotive community comes out and supports your cause. Last year we had a show. The turnout was really good, not quite as good as this year. And the year before we did a cruise called Cruising 'Cause We Care. Each year we've managed to make the $50,000 to get the dog for children with vision loss.